This episode explores the psychology of apology timing, revealing how offering a sincere sorry at the right moment can reset a tense conversation. Experts weigh in on owning impact without excuses, and couples share real scenarios where a timely, specific apology diffused brewing conflicts. The segment demonstrates practical steps, from pausing before responding to numbing emotions and outlining concrete repair actions. Interactive clips invite viewers to practice with a partner, then reflect on what worked, what didn't, and why. Alongside real stories, researchers explain forgiveness dynamics, emotional safety, and how small, consistent repair rituals sustain trust.